The third generation of individuals who are settled in the Mahaweli Sea system face a high percentage of unemployment. Most of them make a living by engaging in the sand mining trade in the Mahaweli River. In line with the recommendations of the Mahayangane Divisional Secretariat, the Geological Survey and Mines Bureau issued 73 permits to mine for sand in the Mahaweli Sea system. One can engage in sand mining on the right bank of the Mahaweli River with these permits. The Matale-Vilgamo Divisional Secretariat issues permits for area residents to mine for sand on the left bank of the Mahaweli River. 2 years ago, the district secretaries of Kandy, Matale and Badulla reached a consensus not to increase the number of sand mining permits issued to area residents. The district secretaries of Badulla and Kandy continue to follow this accord, which was aimed at conserving and utilizing natural resources in a sustainable manner. The Vilgamo Divisional Secretariat, which acted against this decision reached by the Matale district secretary, gave away recommendations to issue permits for sand mining at an alarming rate. The extent of this is clear, as the sand miners who have been given permits to mine for sand in Vilgamo are invading the right bank of the Mahaweli River, which comes under the purview of the Mahayangane Divisional Secretariat. The sand miners of the right bank have tolerated this and even shared the resources which they were officially entitled to. However, even in such a backdrop, the sand miners of the left bank continue to cause trouble to those working on the right bank. 3 months ago, at the Vilgamo Divisional Development Coordination meeting, it was decided not to allow permit holders from Mahayangane to transport sand to Colombo over the Girandrukote Nippon Bridge. As a result of this, permit holders from Mahayangane were forced to use the Randanigala road. However, due to the extra time and expenses incurred by the Mahayangane sand miners, they have effectively refrained from plying their trade. Incidentally, the sand miners of Vilgamo have benefited through this move as well. The bridge built by the Japanese signifies the friendship between Japan and Sri Lanka. However, officials and politicians of Matale, who believe this bridge to be their own personal property, have restricted the sand miners of Vilgamo from transporting their sand over this bridge. Doesn't the attitude of these officials cause harm to the cooperation between the residents who live on the two banks of the Mahaweli River? Inspector General of Police, this is over to you.